running an online store can be tough. In this short video, I'm going to show you a tool that makes it easy to get shoppers to add a bit more to their carts. The tool is loaded with powerful features like product bundles, bundle discounts and smart upselling tools, all designed to boost your revenue. So if you're ready, then let's get started. And the tool is called Wow Revenue. This one here. It's a brand new plugin. It has a free version, but if you need any extra capabilities, then the pro version is the way to go. The team behind the Wow Revenue is the same that is behind some other good WordPress plugins. For example, they have made a popular plugin called PostX and Wow Store, which allows you to customize WooCommerce stores. They have a really good rating in Trustpilot. As you see, currently it has a 4.9 star rating. Currently, the price for the pro version is $104. It's for one site license. And yes, it's a lifetime license. If you need more, then unlimited sites license is $209 and it's also a lifetime deal. In this video, I'm going to show you a pro version. So I'm going to go to the dashboard. I have it already installed. After installation, you'll see a Wow Revenue menu on the left. If you open up the dashboard, you'll see some stats about your sales, average order value, how many impressions the campaigns have received, what is the conversion rate, revenue data, conversions, and so on. You will see also the best performing campaigns. Up here, you'll see the campaigns, license and support links. And if you would like to suggest any new features, then open it up and you can do it. The same menus are displayed on the left. If you go to the campaigns, you'll see all the campaigns you have created. I'm going to deactivate this one here. You'll see that trigger for this campaign is all products, impression count, how many times it has been added to the cart, how many times the user has landed in the checkout, and what is the conversion rate. There is a revenue and progress information. If you need to edit this campaign, then click here. If you click on this button, you'll see the campaign details. If you need to duplicate the campaign, then use this icon, and there is a delete campaign button. Let's do that. Okay, now we have a clear dashboard. Let's create a campaign. Currently, you can choose between 6 campaign types, but you'll see that other 6 are also coming soon. For now, the available campaigns are normal discount, bundle discount, volume, quantity discount, buy X, get Y, product mix and match, frequently bought together, and coming soon are spending goals, buy X and get Y bundle builder, countdown timer, stock scarcity, next order coupon, and double order. The user interface is pretty similar for all the campaigns, so I'm going to start with the normal campaign. Let's create a campaign. And first, let's give it the title, demo campaign. Next, I have to choose where do I need to display the campaign, whether it's on product page. When you click on the plus icon, you'll see you can also activate it on cart page, checkout page, and thank you page. I'm going to disable checkout and cart page, but I'm going to display it on product page and thank you page. Next, display type, whether it's in page, display it as a pop-up or floating. Later I'm going to show you how does a pop-up and floating look like, but at the moment I'm going to leave it in page. Next one, in page position, before add to cart button, after single product summary, before single product or after single product. I'm going to leave it as before add to cart button. Next I have to choose campaign trigger product. If you want to know what does it exactly mean, then hover on the information icon and you'll see that choose the products for which that campaign feature will activate. You can choose between all products, specific products, or specific category. I'm going to choose specific category, and the category is lightning. I can choose more than one, but for the demo purposes, I'm going to choose just one. So save and continue. I can also exclude products. For example, I have this product in the lightning category. If I need to exclude this, then I can do it here. So let's exclude this product from the campaign. Next, I'm going to choose the products that I will offer as a campaign products. So I'm going to choose this one, and this one here. On the right, you'll see how does it look like. As you see, you can add more than one campaign here, but at the moment I'm going to just display one. Next, let's create some rules. For example, if you buy 2 products, the discount will be 20%. And from the preview, you'll see that there is a 20% discount badge already added here. Next, I'm gonna give it a campaign title that will be displayed above here. So buy 2 to get 20% off. I can also add a subheading if needed. So let's add something here. What else I can do? I can offer free shipping for these products. I can set up the countdown timer. For example, the end date is Friday at 12 a.m. You'll see that this is a countdown timer that is displayed here. You can activate animated add to cart and select some options here. I don't like animations on my page, so I'm gonna deactivate it. Next one, I can schedule the settings. Campaign starts from this date, 12 a.m. and ends on Friday at this time. Under the additional settings, you can activate skip add to cart. That is, you can enable this to take users directly to the checkout page. If someone adds products to the cart, then they will be redirected to the checkout page. You can enable quantity selector, like this one here. What happens if the products are already in the cart or added to the order? Then you can choose between do nothing, hide products, or hide campaign. I think that if the products have been already added to the cart, then I'm gonna hide the campaign. Next, what happens when the user clicks on the product title or image? Whether to go to the product page or do nothing, I'm gonna select do nothing. Now let's save it, let's publish it, let's refresh this product, and you'll see that the campaign is displayed here. If I open up this product called Hardtech lamp, I'm gonna refresh, and as you see, this product doesn't display any discounts, and it's because I added a exclusion rule. Before I proceed with the video, don't forget to smash that like button down below here. It means a lot to me and it also helps my channel. So I would appreciate your help. What else you can do here? You can customize how does this look like. Go here and you'll see that if you click on the element, then you can customize how does it look like, whether it's displayed as a list or as a grid. If you click on the settings, you can customize the background and border, spacing, and some other elements. The same goes with every element on a page. Just click on it and you'll see what you can do here. For example, let's customize the add to cart button. I'm gonna choose background, which is this one here, and for the hover, it's gonna be this color, and done. Now, as I mentioned earlier, we can change the display type. Currently it's in-page, and in-page version is the one you see on the screen. Let's change it to the pop-up. Select pop-up animation as fade, delay 0.5 seconds, save it, let's refresh it, and this is a pop-up with a delay. If the delay is 3 seconds, let's update it and refresh it. Now you'll see after 3 seconds a pop-up appears and you can add the products to the cart if needed. Last one is floating position bottom right, left, top right, top left. I'm gonna leave it as bottom right. Delay 3 seconds, update and save, refresh, 1, 2, 3, there you go. I like the in-page option most, so I'm gonna leave it as it is. One more thing, there is a shortcode up here. Let's copy it, go to the dashboard, go to the products. I'm gonna open up a random product, for example this one here. Let's paste the shortcode, update, view product, and there you go. This way I can add the campaigns everywhere. Now let's test it. I'm gonna add this product to the cart and this one here. I'm gonna go to my cart page. As you see, the discount has been applied. I'm gonna go to the checkout, place the order, and this is my thank you page. Although as you see, the same campaign is also displayed here. It's because I added the rule that it is also displayed on the thank you pages. If I disable it and save it, now when I refresh my thank you page, it will be gone. Awesome. Now let's go to the campaigns main page, and in a similar way you can create all sorts of campaigns. The logic behind every campaign is the same. Create the campaign and everything is the same here. Just add your own rules and done. Adding all sorts of discounts and bundles on your product page is one way to improve sales, but there is also another nifty trick you can use. That is, instead of displaying your stock quantities as a text, you can display those as a progress bar. Recently I have made a short video about how to create this stock bar with a simple piece of code. This video is on the screen right now, so be sure to take a look at it next. In the meantime, take care.